Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths video of chapter number 18 and we have already started exercise 18b. So question number 1 to 5 I have given you in the homework that you can do it by yourself because as a concept I have already cleared. So up to question number 5 we have already done. If you want to watch the videos then you can subscribe the channel and you will get all the videos here. Today we will start with the question number 6. He said for each expression given below, state whether it is monomial, binomial or trinomial. I have told you that if there is one term, then it is monomial. If there is two terms, then it's binomial. If there are three terms, then it's a trinomial. So I think you can easily write the answers. Here is only one term, so it's a monomial, right? Two terms, so it's binomial. Again check here beta, there is sign of division is given, so we will write it like this. Now check, it's a one term, so it's monomial. One term, again mono means one, I told you. See, here are three terms, 1, 2 and 3. So it's trinomial. Then two terms, binomial. I think now you are able to do this. Three terms, it's a, yes, trinomial. Yes, check this beta. Here sign of division is given, so we will write it x divided by y. Now check the terms. It contains two terms, so it's a binomial. Here we have three terms, so it's trinomial. Okay, so the next question is write down the coefficient of x. We have to write coefficient of x in the following monomals. So beta, focus on first question, you will get the answer and you can easily do other parts by yourself now. Here we have to write the coefficient of x, but there is nothing with x. I told you in previous video that coefficient is whatever coming with the literal or whose we have to find the coefficient, whatever coming with that number. Here we have to find the coefficient of x, but nothing is coming with it. So we can simply just, if we find that there is nothing, so can we write it like this? It's 1x now, we can write 1. So its coefficient will be 1. Here check, here is only minus, but we will write it minus 1x. Coefficient will be minus 1. Here the coefficient is minus 3. Sign will be considered beta, ठीक है? And the next is coefficient of x na, so all the numbers and literals what comes with x are the coefficient. It's 5a. Coefficient of x, whatever is coming with it, 3/2 y is the coefficient. You will write it properly beta like this. Like coefficient of x is minus 5. You will write it like this. Here coefficient of x is a over y. Right? And I think this is question number 7 na? Yeah, all parts are done. Question number 8. Write the coefficient of x in minus 3xy square. So I know now you are able to write the coefficient. Whatever coming with x, minus 3y square is the coefficient. Coefficient of x in minus ax, minus a. Coefficient of y in minus y. So we will write it like minus 1y. So coefficient is minus 1. Coefficient of y in this, it will be 2 over a. Coefficient of xy. So we will consider both xy, x and y. We will consider them. And what will be the coefficient? The remaining things. Minus 2z. Okay beta, I have done, it's question number 8 na. I have done first 5 parts, rest you can do by yourself now. So the next is question number 9. He said state the numeral coefficient. Numeral, I have told you that it's a numeric value, so we have to write only numeric value here. State the numeral coefficient, that is 5. There is numeral coefficient will be 1. Numeral coefficient will be 5. Numeral coefficient will be minus 2. Only numeric value with sign. Other parts you can do by yourself now. And the question number part 7 of this question is minus 7x over y. We will write it like this first. So numeral coefficient will be minus 7 or can be 7. We will consider the sign now. So it's minus 7. And then again the last question, minus 3x divided by na. So we will write it like this. Don't get confused with the bracket. It just to make the question very like complicated. There is nothing complicated in these questions. So the numeral coefficient will be minus 3 over 2. Right beta? Yes, this part is different than others. He said write degree of the following. Degree beta, you know how we will write degree? It will be just the highest power. Whatever is the highest power, that will be degree. In this question, see, its power is 1, its power is 2. So its degree is 2. Here, which is the highest power? That is 2. So degree is 2. Here see, which is the highest power? 10. So degree is 10. Degree is 20. I know you can do it easily. Degree is 3. Yes. Beta, these are the little bit different from the these sums. Check here. Here we got 2 literals. So we will add their parts. Right? So here check 2 plus 1 3. Its degree is 3. Its degree is 2. It's 5 plus 2 7. So degree will be highest power is the degree. So degree is 7. Its power is 3. Add the numbers. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. So its degree is 6. Highest power will be considered as degree. 7 plus 2 9. Its degree is 9. I think it's done. Yeah, it's done beta. So your exercise 18B is completed. If you still have any query, you can ask me. Thank you beta.